Hi, I'm David M. with the Next Level Gents. Today, I'm going to show you how to style your hair with clay. Before diving into the how, let's go over what clay is, including the benefits and drawbacks. When it comes to hairstyling products, clay is one of the most effective and popular options. Hair clay is excellent because it offers a matte, natural-looking finish and a medium hold. You can also find clays with light and strong holds, but a medium hold is a classic characteristic of hair clay. The best part about hair clay is that it works for almost every hairstyle. It's also good for everyday use because the matte finish and medium hold works well with loose or messy hairstyles that require a hold or volume. While it gives your hairstyle a good hold, it's also pliable. You can touch it and restyle it without worrying about losing the hold. Additionally, you won't have to worry about your hair crunching or flaking. If you want a formal hairstyle with a high shine, use a wax or pomade. Otherwise, clay is your best option. Whether you have short, medium, or long hair, hair clay will work for you. Hair clays are often made with kaolin or bentonite. Many of them also have other nourishing oils and ingredients that help with the hold, scent, and benefit your hair and scalp. As side benefits, clay is the best choice if you have oily hair because it neutralizes the oil, and it's great if you have thin hair because it'll give your hair a thick and full appearance. Hair clay offers such a great hold that you would think it's difficult to wash out. However, washing it out is surprisingly easy. Most come right out with water while others may require shampoo. Despite some needing shampoo, you only need to clean it once. You won't have to go through cycles to get it out. Clays wash out very easily. When you're shopping for hair clay, you'll find that there are so many products available. Great hair clay is solid and offers a matte finish. With so many options, I'm going to share with you the best hair clays to save you time and from having to go through trial and error. The top 5 hair clays are Hans de Fuco Claymation, Kevin Murphy Rough Rider Stronghold Matte Clay, Lockhart's Matte Clay, Layrite Cement Clay, and Smooth Viking Hairstyling Clay. Today, I'm going to be using Layrite Cement Clay. Regardless of the hairstyle you're going for, the steps are the exact same. First, you need to prepare your hair. Start with clean and towel-dried hair that's free of product residue and is slightly damp. The next step is optional and depends on your hair and the style you want. If you need extra support and styling, use a hairdryer to create the shape of your hairstyle. My hairstyle is short, so I don't need to use a hairdryer. It's needed for longer styles with more volume. After your hair has been prepped, it's time to apply the clay. Make sure your hands are clean and scoop a dime or pea-sized amount with your finger. If you have shorter hair, you can use less, and with longer hair, you'll need a little more. However, a pea-sized amount is a great place to start because you can always add more. Next, warm up the clay in your hands by rubbing them together. This prevents lumps and clumps in your hair when you're applying it. It also makes it easier to work through your hair. After the clay has been warmed up and evenly spread in your hands, you're ready to apply it. Start in the back and spread the clay evenly throughout your hair, including the underside. You're not styling it at this point. The goal is to work it in from the roots to the ends. Next, style your hair. You can also use a comb or brush to create the shape and volume that you want. If you don't want a perfect look, just use your hands. It looks natural while still being put together. After you styled your hair, check all sides to make sure it's what you wanted. At this point, you can use a little more clay or hairspray for flyaways. That's it. Now you have the perfect hairstyle thanks to clay. Throughout the day, you can restyle it as clay gives you a firm hold, but it's still pliable. When you restyle your hair, make sure you have access to hand sanitizer or a sink, because you'll feel residue on your hands due to the nature of the clay. It'll leave your hands a bit sticky, so wash them after you restyle your hair. If you haven't used clay before, you'll notice it's stiff right after you finish styling your hair with it. Give it some time to sit. After about 15 minutes, you'll notice that it feels a bit more relaxed. In closing, hair clay is one of the best hairstyling products for everyday use. It gives your hair a matte finish while offering a medium hold that'll stay up all day. It also works with almost every hairstyle that doesn't require a shiny finish. Now that you know how to use hair clay and why it's such a great product, pick some up today. I'll share links to the best hair clays I mentioned in the description. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.